fact, BJP has released its first list of 67 candidates for the upcoming Haryana Assembly elections, with Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini to contest the Ladwa seat.
That's right. Many interesting names there, Radhika. In fact, of course, Congress turned coach Shruti Chaudhary. Rao Inderjeet's daughter is also part of the list. Also, Captain Abhimanyu. Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini, as you mentioned, he will be contesting from Ladwa, which has been a BJP stronghold. And also, former Haryana Minister Anil Vij is also part of that crucial list. He will be contesting from Ambala Cant. But Radhika, also interesting there that wrestlers are in now the Congress's den.
Absolutely. Wrestlers Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia, who protested against BJP's Brij Bhushan, will be fighting polls on Congress ticket. Of course, BJP has, criticized the Congress over this. The wrestlers as well. BJP saying this makes it clear that their protest was political. In fact, the assembly elections in Haryana scheduled to be held on October 5 and counting of votes will take place on October 8. In fact, the candidates can file their nomination papers till September 12 and withdraw by September 16.
Listen.
67 कैंडिडेट्स की सूची और ये जारी कर दी गई है। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री श्री नायब सिंह सैनी वो लाडवा से लड़ेंगे और भी सभी प्रमुख लोगों की सीटें अपनी अपनी तय कर दी गई हैं। और मैं समझता हूं कि आज चूँकि 4 तारीख है, कल से ही नॉमिनेशन शुरू है और 5 से 12 तक सब लोग अपना अपना नॉमिनेशन करेंगे। बाकी बची हुई जो 22-23 सीटें और हैं उनको भी बहुत जल्दी 1-2 दिन के अंदर पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड उसको क्लियर करेगा।
And let me go across live to my colleague Gurpreet Chinna. In fact, Radhika and Gurpreet, interesting there that the BJP has had a very sort of fine caste balance as far as the first list is concerned. You have OBCs, Valmiki is also interesting, 8 women candidates there in the list as well. And that caste arithmetic, how crucial is that for the BJP?
Well, we have seen in the last leg of the government, they had just praised Manohar Lal Khattar, the former Chief Minister of Haryana, with Naib Singh Saini, who comes from this OBC class. What we have seen for the last so many days, multiple surveys are being conducted on the basis of the caste also, so that they are trying to make all the arithmetic. And the challenge before the BJP was to combat with the anti-incumbency within the state, because for the last 2 terms, for the last 10 years, the BJP has been ruling in the state, and somewhere down the lane they were worried about this anti-incumbency. We have seen the list of 67 candidates had already been released by the BJP, and interesting effects which have come to fore. We have learned some of the ministers, they were not able to get the ticket. If we can talk about a sports person, we have seen Sandeep Singh is not in the list of this candidate who are going to contest the election. At the same time, what we can understand, some of the turncoat from JJP or from the Congress, they are able to make their way in state politics. If we can talk about the Congress party, we have seen recently Kiran Chaudhary, she has just joined the BJP. She has been made a Rajya Sabha member, and her daughter Shruti Chaudhary, she has already been given ticket from Tosham. So she is able to make a way for the family also, and we have seen so many times, so many questions from the opposition party are being raised over the BJP list, because first time we have seen dynastic politics has already been prevailed. We have seen they were trying to pacify a lot of top leaders. We have seen, you are also mentioning of the Rao family, and they have also given ticket to Rao family. And same thing we have seen the JJP leaders, whether it's the Devinder Babli from Tohana and other Ram Kumar Gautam, he is from Sfedon. They had just joined the BJP. Before that, in the last polls and in the last government, we have seen they were the ally partner with the BJP. 3 people from the JJP, they were able to get the ticket. So let's see, it seems the BJP has done a lot of homework, and we have seen ML Khattar, when he was speaking to the media, he was quite confident that they had applied the mind at the 360-degree angle before giving the final verdict for announcing the names of all these candidates who have been pitched from the various parts of Haryana. So let's see, because the Congress is also doing a multiple round of meetings, and they are also mulling about alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, and any time the list will be come out. But one thing we have seen in this elections also, a lot of rebels from the BJP, they
Yes.
have also raised their voice against the decision which is being taken by the party high command, and this trend hadn't seen earlier also in
Yes,
the BJP.
in fact, that's
So
an
let's see
interesting
that,
point you're
how
making there,
many people
Gurpreet,
they
that
are
the BJP's rebel problem there in Haryana